So here's a renovation status update. We have the living room back. Right now we have the couch flipped around because we don't really have we have a real small TV right here, but we took out the big TV, put it in the bedroom. But we've been working on painting. We have an awesome neighbor who lent us his scaffolding, so that's helping us get our ceilings, because I think our ceilings are like 17 feet. And we just finished yesterday our tile. So we still have a little bit of cleaning up to do, but it is grouted. We got it from Floor & Decor. It's called Cali Sand 2. It's matte. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I mean, it took us like hours and hours to, sponge all the dust off and everything. But now we have, yeah, you can probably see it's like dusty over here. But now we have like this back door mat, essentially, just because a lot of the traffic with the dogs and the kids and stuff, and the wood over there was really bad anyways. So, but yeah, no, it's looking good. And so this is, I think, where the dining room table is going to be. And I just have, so I think I did like, I would say a little over a third of the ceiling. So we still have, we have still some paint in this 5-gallon paint, probably another 1.5 gallons or something. But I'm going to try and finish it up this week. Whether I work on the ceiling or just moving it across the wall. But there's a couple things I need to do. So we live on a corner. I need to have blinds that give us some privacy. So these blinds up here, they're the cellular like paper blinds. And I'm going to replace this window, and this window with them. Just because these are shot, I don't like cleaning them. I just want to get rid of them. So in time, these will get replaced, and I do have plans for the windows to frame them out and give them almost like a wooden Roman blind like this. I think we're gonna go lighter because we have a lighter shade in the bathroom, and I love the light that it brings into the house. So, but that's right now what's going on. Thomas put up this new light yesterday and got it at Wayfair. It was very irritating because it was supposed to be rated to like be able to put on a sloped ceiling because I have vaulted ceilings. It was a pain. It was really rough, but now it's working. But when we put the speed up too high, something in there's rubbing. So, but yeah, essentially it's nice because now we have the living room back, the dining room where it's going to be. We have our Goodwill, which is where all our kitchen stuff's going, which is going to be moving out soon. The stove is coming in a couple weeks. Excited for that. And then we're going to, essentially after the stove gets here, we'll move our main fridge, this one, back out. And so things will start getting back to normal. Yeah, this is our little TV that we're using right now, but it's okay. Very happy to have the couch back in here. And Eggsy, I don't know where Eggsy went, but he loves it. He loves sitting on the couch.